have a very short article for you, so I won't even put it up on the screen. But it reads as such: Growth in Unity. Love is supremely important. If we are to know the joy of true fellowship and grow up in the divine unity in which grace has placed us, it is this divine nature, and so the true nature of Christ's body. This is not human love, which ends with death and which has been terribly spoiled by sin and selfishness, but the love that leads the Lord into death for us, that it might flow into our hearts, filling them with gladness, then upward from us to him from whom it has come, and outward to all who are his, whose the one whole chapter in 1 Corinthians 13 is devoted to the description of it. It is this that makes the care of each member of Christ's body for every other member of it a real thing. It is the vital breath of God's assembly, the atmosphere without which no plant of his husbandry in chapter 3 can thrive.